Would love to understand कि आपका सिंगापुर का एक्सपीरियंस कैसे था?
Half of the days we were not in campus. They took us on an industrial visit, which they said it was an industrial visit. We'll have a class there, but it was just amazing. We were been to Hyundai Experience Center. We got to know how they do the supply chain works there.
कि as a student आपका mindset कैसे change हुआ? You guys become more motivated, more focused. उसके बारे में थोड़ा बात.
When we spoke to the Turkey girl, sitting there, it was very different. The way we were behaving, she just got amused. I'm like, is it real? Is it how things happen in India? So it was, we were able to exchange our opinions, how things work in their country, how things work in our country. So it actually opened our mind.
Did you get motivated कि नहीं अभी बाहर जाके करियर बनाना है? Foreign placement.
Yes.
Hi guys, welcome back to this MBA podcast. ये podcast आप लोगों की डिमांड पे मैं कर रहा हूँ. So we're gonna talk about ISME and आप लोगों को कैसे ग्लोबल एक्सपोजर दिया जाता है. So earlier जो हमारा पॉडकास्ट हुआ था नितिन सर के साथ, who's the director, he made a mention about grooming, global exposure, Singapore, etc. Would love to understand कि आपका सिंगापुर का एक्सपीरियंस कैसे था. My first question, पैसा मांगा था कॉलेज ने या फिर फीस में इंक्लूडेड था?
It's part of the package. Yes.
Good. Now let's start and tell me more about सिंगापुर का एक्सपीरियंस. कितने दिन थे, कहाँ रुके, क्या एक्सपोजर मिला, वगैरह.
So it was a program where like the MDIS college has hosted us. Like
पहली बात, how big is MDIS in Singapore? मेरी ऑडियंस को पता चले.
it is a huge college.
It's a
a
huge
university.
brand.
It
It's a
has
university.
many
Good. Okay, go ahead.
physics, commerce, science, सारे branches है वहाँ पे. So we stayed in the Singapore MDIS campus. They had hosted us. We had the immersion program for around 10 days.
10 days.
Yeah. So on the first day there was the orientation program where we were briefed about all the rules and regulations. What are we gonna do and how our 10 days are gonna be looking like for the 10 days. And
Sorry to stop you here. एक क्वेश्चन मुझे बहुत बच्चे पूछते हैं कि सर 10 दिन में क्या ही होगा?
बहुत कुछ होगा.
actually बहुत कुछ.
तो मुझे ये जानना है कि 10 दिन में आपका माइंडसेट कैसे चेंज हुआ. एंड आप लोगों की पहली इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप थी?
Mine तो it was.
इंडिया के बाहर पहली बार?
Yeah. First time.
ठीक है, तो मजे आए होंगे नो डाउट, बट अभी वो बात नहीं कर सकते हैं. मुझे बात करनी है कि एज अ स्टूडेंट आपका माइंडसेट कैसे चेंज हुआ. यू गाइस बिकम मोर मोटिवेटेड, मोर फोकस्ड. उसके बारे में थोड़ा बात करो, फिर हम थोड़ा निटी-ग्रिटी में चले जाएंगे.
The first thing is that we got a global perspective, which is
Right.
also the thing that ISME teaches us, to get a global perspective. And
जरूरी है वो.
हाँ, Singapore is something that gave us that. We were very open-minded to learn new things. There were students from all around the world. We were there. We could talk to them.
कौन-कौन सी कंट्रीज के बच्चे थे वहाँ पे?
We had students from Turkey, we had students from Korea, and we had students from the neighboring Malaysia. So there were students because we got a chance to interact with them, and we got to know how diverse our cultures are. When we spoke to the Turkey girl, sitting there, it was very different. The way we were behaving, she just got amused. I'm like, is it real? Is it how things happen in India? So it was, we were able to exchange our opinions, how things work in their country, how things work in our country. So it actually opened our mind. There are different things happening in different countries and the different corner of the countries. First thing. Second thing, talking about how the 10 days went, it just went like this. We had a lot much fun because we were in batch, and as I said, it is our first international
That
thing.
too with friends, college trip.
Yeah,
So
it was amazing.
It was memorable.
And talking to the sessions that we had, it was a club of both in college and off campus.
Okay.
Yeah, so we got exposure to advanced AI skills. How do we do the international trade, out of box thinking. People might think it's the same thing that we get to study here. Yes, but there you get to see it from their perspective. It changes, right? When you go to the other country, the way of teaching, the way of looking at things will really change. First thing. Second thing, half of the days we were not in campus. They took us on an industrial visit, which they said it was an industrial visit. We'll have a class there, but it was just amazing. We were been to Hyundai Experience Center. We got to know how they do the supply chain works there.
फील कैसे होता है वहाँ पे जाने के बाद? लगता है कि भाई जो कंसेप्ट पढ़ रहे हैं क्लासरूम में बैठ के वो एक्चुअली में सेंस बना रही है.
It was more of experiential learning.
Okay.
So everything you have studied, you just see it happen in front of your own eyes. So वो लगता है कि चलो जो पढ़ा है.
What changed for you guys? यहाँ से वहाँ गए, वहाँ से यहाँ आए, क्या चेंज किया?
एक अपने में कॉन्शियसनेस आ गया कि अब बाहर है, सो वी हैव टू बिहेव इन अ सर्टेन वे.
एग्जैक्टली. डिड यू गेट मोटिवेटेड कि नहीं अभी बाहर जाके करियर बनाना है, फॉरेन प्लेसमेंट चाहिए?
Yes.
ये मोटिवेशन आया तो भी काफी है, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट कीप यू गोइंग इन द गेम. टेल मी मोर. फिर टोयोटा में आपने विजिट करा?
Hyundai.
Hyundai.
Yeah.
Okay. Hyundai बोलो, Hyundai बोलो, whatever it is, right? So now tell me, और क्या क्या आपने विजिट करा वहाँ पे?
And they took us to the sustainability center that they have. They took us to the Marina Barrage and they were telling us how they made, you know, it is a island. Ideally, Singapore is an island. And they're circulated with the salt water.
Yeah.
So they started telling us, narrating the story from how do they pull the water from the ocean, desalinate it, and how do they spread across the city. And we've got to know that they were so confident enough. The lady who was demonstrating the thing, she told us you can even drink water if you're thirsty while you're taking your shower.
Damn.
Yeah.
So she literally said that, and it was true. They desalinate it, and we've got to know how a country can design their city in such a way they can be sustainable enough. It is very strategically fitting into the things that they have. They don't have resources. It's a very small island. It is not even as big as Bangalore as a city.
Right.
Exactly.
Right.
They've made it above the land. They made it under the land. It showed us how efficiently you can use the resources.
Right. That's what the
Utilization
MBA
of
teaches us.
resources, it's like done
True
to the
that.
maximum.
True that. देखो यार, कंट्री मैनेज करो, देश मैनेज करो, यार तो कोई कंपनी मैनेज करो, स्टार्टअप मैनेज करो. Optimum utilization resources is very very important. Okay. Now let's talk about fun part. कहाँ कहाँ घूमे, पार्टी वार्टी करा, क्लब्स क्लब्स में लेके जाते हैं
अरे
आपको?
Universal, the main
अरे
attraction of
यूनिवर्सल,
Singapore.
so nice. Yeah, Universal is the place that you must visit. Awesome. Okay. तो सिंगापुर is the one thing that we talked about. I also got to know कि बहुत सारे certifications कराते हैं आपको. ग्रूमिंग होती है जो बाकी भी स्कूल्स के थोड़ी अलग होती है, विच इज लिटिल बेटर देन दी अदर्स इन दी बैंगलोर, लाइक जो जाने माने हैं, राइट? क्या होता है, कैसे होता है, थोड़ा बता दो उसके बारे में.
Talking about the certifications, you know, what will happen right after we come from our internships. We'll have almost 1.5 month of time where we are dedicatedly, we will be doing that part. We call it as VAT session, value added term. So between our 4th trimester and the internship, we have this something which will come in. So here we get to learn about, do certifications like Lean Six Sigma, KPMG is Lean in Six Sigma. We get to do Power BIs or Advanced Excel.
Oh, is it?
So yeah,
और ये फ्री में पढ़ाया जाता है कि इसके
free.
Free
We
में
don't
पढ़ा,
get
it's
nothing.
all included in the course fees.
It's
एंड पढ़ाने वाले फैकल्टीज की प्रोफाइल क्या है?
they
So
come
बाहर से
from,
आते हैं, they are
they come
the
from
industry
KPMG.
leaders, yeah.
Yeah, and the GT people will come. They'll teach us financial modeling to the finance students.
वो इज इट? फाइनेंशियल मॉडलिंग कितने घंटे में पढ़ाते हैं, कितना चलता है वो?
So
There
they
are
had it
4
for
to 5
one
days,
week, which is like 5 days.
And then they conduct a test at the end,
And then give the
based on
certification. It's not that, you know, your college
Everyone
is
is
getting
going
you,
to get a-
तुमको आ जाएगा. No.
तो फाइनेंशियल मॉडलिंग में सब पढ़ाते हैं, टिल वैल्यूएशन पढ़ाते हैं. गुड यार, गुड, नॉट बैड. ठीक है, तो पावर भी हो गया, फाइनेंशियल मॉडलिंग हो गया, एक्सेल वेक्सेल भी पढ़ाते होंगे.
हाँ, advanced Excel.
और क्या क्या कराते हैं?
Advanced Excel तो like it is a part of our curriculum only.
It is a
like-
subject we have, but when they come to the value added term, it will be more advanced where you start, because that will be, they'll ask us when you got out of your internship, what was the level of Excel that you're using, what is the level of Power BI that you're using. After taking our feedback, that is when they will map the
design the course and then.
Oh, that is so good.
And coming from the placement department, I'll say I am a part.
You are a part of placement committee. Why did you not tell me that earlier?
She is part.
Okay, so now we've got a lot of stuff from you, and
Yeah.
we want, my audience would love to hear that.
Okay,
Go
so
ahead.
like I'll say the VAT is basically designed by the placement committee mostly because of the placement season. So what they do, they map individual students' skills and what are the skills that they are lacking, and they assign mentors for each student. And every Friday they have this mentoring session where you can ask about your queries, you can know about where you are lacking, what are the skills that you need to develop and stuff like that. So according to that, then there are courses offered. In fact, they offer us the Infosys Springboard course that you can take on your own. It's through the college. You can take it, you can learn all the skills that you lack, and the VAT session is designed in such a way that after that course, you are placement ready.
Okay.
You are actually placement ready. And in fact, before a company comes, there's this procedure that you have to take a AI mock interview.
Yeah.
They have
Okay,
designed an
that's
AI
cool.
mock interview wherein you can put in your JD and the AI is
Resume.
going to ask you like the questions based on your job role that comes. Like suppose I have a company that is coming tomorrow, like and they have given me a certain JD. Now I am going to paste those JD in that AI interview.
JD with your resume as
With
well.
my resume as well, and that AI is gonna ask me questions and I have to answer it, and I have to get a certain percentage. Like if I qualify the certain percentage, then only I can go for the interview.
That is so good, yeah.
So you get a picture of where you stand, and that helps a lot for
Okay.
your self preparation.
Okay, cool. I think that's still better. Okay, because I haven't seen this happening in multiple colleges, to be very honest. I think ISM is the one.
So we were the first batch.
We were the first batch
Okay.
who got introduced to
Yeah.
this AI mock
Okay.
interview wala thing.
Nice. Let's talk about your placements now. Have you been placed?
Not
I mean,
really-
summer internship.
Yes.
Okay, summer is done. Are you placed?
Yeah, I
Summers
am.
and finals also.
Yeah.
Okay, great. You are placed summer in which company?
Dell Technologies.
Dell. Okay, let's talk about Dell. How was the experience?
Oh, it was amazing. Dell, being Dell, it was an amazing.
Dell आती है campus में, बहुत बड़ी बात है.
Yeah, Dell आती है.
Okay. Cool. Okay. How was it? And कौन से B school के बच्चे आपके साथ थे?
So with us we had students from one of the IIMs, like for the operations, and we had students in my own team where they had come from Pune Sri Balaji, and they had come from one college from Chennai. So they come from all these tier 1, tier 2 B schools across the country, and we were part of that. Me and one of my friends were part of that, and it was amazing. The experience, it actually changed our way of looking at things. Talking to people, behaving with people, what actually happens in the industry, we actually got to know when we got there.
Gokula, tell me one thing. You have an experience of how many years?
I mean, like,
Two months, okay.
2 months in Dell.
Okay. Good यार, काफी committed है लोग. Okay, you are placed? Which company?
I'm placed with my kid.
Nice. What profile is it?
It's client account manager.
Not bad. Account management is good. यहाँ से फिर आगे जाके IT में हम pivot कर सकते हैं. Good stuff. Now you are a placement committee member, okay? Name few good brands that comes on ISME. Don't tell me packages. I know protocol है. But मेरे students के लिए, मेरे audience के लिए आप बस मुझे बता दो कि सर ये companies आती है और इनकी ये profile होती है.
एक आपको as she mentioned,
हाँ.
Dell आएगी, Dell आती है, there's Deloitte, there's GT, there's Landmark that comes.
Right, Landmark के भी बच्चे हैं यहाँ पे.
TCS आती है, Wipro आती है.
नॉट बैड, मतलब प्रॉपर हैंड होल्डिंग होती है यहाँ पे. देखो जो भी हमने पूछा था डायरेक्टर सर को, मैम को, जो भी हमने पूछा था, आई एम अगेन आस्किंग द स्टूडेंट्स. एंड अगर आप देखोगे कि दोनों के कहने में ना कोई भी गैप नहीं है. जो उन्होंने बोला बच्चों ने सेम चीज़ हमें बताई है. तो आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट बिल्ड्स द ट्रस्ट इवेंचुअली. बट अगेन गाइज, इफ यू वांट टू नो मोर अबाउट ISME, you can get in touch with them. And both of you, thank you so very much for giving some time. And I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. God bless you. Do well. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye.